kick a foot out towards the camera. You're like, I'm trying so hard. There you go.
David, set this one up.
All right, tomorrow is my birthday. Jada asked me what I wanted to do for my birthday. And I was thinking about it. And I was like, you know what? Let's do a photo shoot. That is what makes me the most happy in the whole entire world. I love doing photo shoots. So that sounded like a good plan. However, we kind of forgot about it. This morning we woke up and we were trying to figure out what are we gonna do for this photo shoot? And we couldn't figure it out. Hour after hour after hour went by. Nothing was coming to our minds. Nothing at all. Then at 3:41 p.m., we were like, I have an idea. What if we put our subject in a box, and instead of the box being made of wood, it was made of spandex. So that's what we're gonna do. We are at Joanne Fabric, and we're about to buy 10 yards of shiny, beautiful spandex for my birthday shoot. It's my birthday. Let's go build a set. Howdy, friends. It's my birthday! So today, we are going to make a cosmic crazy set in David's workshop. The first step we're gonna do is take this awesome spandex material and stretch it across the back of one of my pre-made flats I already have. The goal is to make kind of like a rectangle box where the model is pushing out on all different directions. So to start, we have to cut this, put it across this flat, and staple it together with a staple gun. For this project, you'll need spandex, a wooden flat, and a staple gun. Oh, and if you like this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe! Alright, so I'm gonna start by stapling all the way across this, kind of like making a canvas. Staples didn't go in all the way. Again, I don't know if I'm not pushing hard enough or if it just will never do that, but I got a hammer. Alright, so now that I have this one side done, I think the best thing to do would be to flip it and pull it taut across. Pull it. I still don't understand the taut thing, so I'm gonna go with tight because it feels ridiculous. I'm gonna pull it tight and then I'll staple the other side. And we're gonna just go. Watch your eyes. The concept for this shoot, though, is I want it to appear to be shiny walls, and then the subject is pushing out, like, because a lot of our stuff, we put them in boxes, you know, the subjects, because you're trapped. Yeah. But to me, right now, how I'm feeling in life is like, well, maybe a box isn't so constraining, maybe a box is good. I don't know. So maybe it's just like, moves.
Like maybe you can expand your box?
Yeah, maybe that's all.
Limiting.
Maybe that's all you need. I don't know. Woo. And we'll flip it. So I'm literally just making things up as I go. But I think if I were to give myself notes, is try to make sure you get it really tight before you staple for what we're trying to achieve. I'm gonna cut, but the thing is that I don't have really sharp scissors, which was the flaw. So it kind of sucks. So next time I do a fabric thing, I'm gonna be sure to buy new scissors.
Wow.
So here you go, guys. This is one flat down. We have 3 more to go, and we have a shoot in a couple hours. If I showed you how I did all of them, it would be really boring. So, time to go to time lapse. And just like that, we finished, and the flats are covered. Now it's time to put everything together and do a test fit then load it up in the truck, and then we're off to the studio. All right, we're starting to do the test fit. Pretty crazy. Oh, that's gonna be cool. Whoa. We loaded everything into the back of the truck and headed to the studio that we rented on Peerspace. We unloaded everything as quickly as possible and then got ready to start assembling. All right, we just made it to the studio that we rented on Peerspace, and now it's time to put together the flats, see the set come to life, and then have a photo shoot.
Hit the link in our bio to get $50 off your Peerspace rental.
This set involved 4 flats and a lighting panel. We started by setting up the floor and side flats, then added in the ceiling and lighting panel. Once everything was set up, we moved on to lighting, and I prepped the camera. We usually use more diffused lighting in our sets, but we quickly realized that direct lighting was much more effective with this set. It made the fabric shine just that much more. Then we were ready to shoot. Let's see what Jada can do.
So, concept behind the shoot, we're gonna play with 2 different ideas. Okay. So, one, you're scared of shiny things.
Ooh, okay.
So we'll explore that. And then other concept that we're gonna dive into a little bit is you're in a box. I feel like we all sort of put ourselves in boxes, but sometimes like we don't realize how much bend there actually is. Like how you really can push and lean into different things. So that's sort of the thought with like these walls that can move a little. Too much, you're like, ugh, get like stop flashing these lights at me. Paparazzi, not feeling this. Oh, I love that one. That one's great. Okay, now shift your body, like really get some different bend going in there. Yep. And then look towards the wall. You're like, why is this wall like pressing? Press in on it as much as you can right there. Amazing. Okay, kind of having like a mild freak out in this space, okay? Pull your body in really close to you. You're trying to like make yourself feel comfortable because just everything feels really overwhelming right here. To feel that out, love that. Get some lean going in your body, kick your butt to one side, body to the other. You're starting to go crazy, like pull some hair in front of your face. Like this is all just like way too overstimulating for you. Like you're like trapped inside a video game kind of thing. And you're like, what is even real anymore? Oh, I love that one. That one's so good. Oh my gosh. Let your head go down like you feel sort of hopeless and really get some bend in your legs right there. Awesome. Living in a disco ball right now. Your box is a disco ball and your hands are in the air. You're swaying to the beat. I thought this was a good idea coming to this party, but now I'm like literally trapped inside this place and I'm kind of freaking the fuck out. Kind of like a lion in a cage that everyone's been staring at and you're just like, dude, get over it. I'm done. I don't wanna be a show anymore. Okay, now start to reach towards the camera like you're trapped again. I can't handle this. This sucks. There we go. There you go. Love that. Lean in towards my camera now. Now you're like, I love the camera.